As a little girl, I have always dreamed a little, and then a little more, and then a lot. I wondered if my dreams as a little girl would come true and what it would take to make them a reality. From an early age, I have always stood in awe as I watched numerous courageous girls dance on stage. But I didn't know where to begin, nor did I know if I had the confidence to do so. However, a little girl's mother knows her daughter best. She understands her daughter's heart and will do anything and everything to help her little girl pursue her dreams. Kaunuku merely began with the little girl's dream to stand on stage, and then it became her dream to help other young women reach their fullest potential. And then it became a passion and desire to serve the youth in her community. Dance has many physical, mental, and social benefits. It's a way to stay healthier, find a sense of community, inspire and motivate, form friendships, and allows one to express oneself. Kaunuku Dance Academy believes in these benefits and more. We have approached our second-year anniversary on February 14, 2021, and continue to proudly serve our community. We are reminded of our mission and vision daily as we shape our students into contributing members and leaders of our society, and we couldn't have done it alone. We have graciously received support and love from our families, friends, staff, NHQDA students, and our community. So thank you. Thank you for changing a child's life. Thank you for supporting our small business. And thank you to the little girl's mother for believing in her daughter. Every little girl deserves to dream. No matter how big or how small, we are committed to helping our students. Once a star, always a star.